Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. In today's episode, we're diving into an exciting project, crafting a house right in the middle of the forest. Imagine a majestic wooden structure surrounded by towering trees and the sound of nature all around. It's more than just building, it's about creating a haven that blends beautifully with the environment. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate why this project is special. Not only will we explore sustainable building practices, but we'll also learn how to work with nature rather than against it. Are you ready? Let's get started. Location scouting. First things first, we need the perfect location. But what makes a location perfect? Well, it's not just about a beautiful view. We're looking for a site that has good drainage, enough sunlight, and easy access to resources like wood and water. Let's hit the trail. As we walk, notice how the light filters through the leaves, creating a magical atmosphere. This is where our adventure begins. Once we find the right spot, we'll clear the area of any debris and prepare the ground. It's essential to respect the environment as we go. We might even uncover some interesting stones or plants that we can incorporate into our design later on. Designing the house. Now that we've found our perfect location, let's talk design. A forest house should resonate with its surroundings. Think rustic charm, wood, stone, and natural elements. We'll start with a simple sketch. Picture this, a cozy one-room cabin with large windows to watch the sunrise, a wooden deck for enjoying coffee, and maybe even a small loft to maximize space. What features would you include? A deck for morning coffee? A loft for stargazing? The possibilities are endless. Next, we need to decide on materials. We'll focus on sustainable options, using locally sourced wood to reduce our carbon footprint and preserve the forest. Gathering materials. With our design in mind, it's time to gather materials. We'll need logs for the walls, beams for the roof, and perhaps some stones for a fireplace. But where do we start? One option is to source wood from fallen trees or dead branches. Not only does this prevent waste, but it also helps us maintain the forest's health. Remember, sustainability is key. As we gather materials, we'll also take a moment to appreciate what nature has to offer. Look at the intricate patterns in the wood, each piece tells a story. Construction begins. Now comes the exciting part, construction. The first step is to lay the foundation. We'll dig a few holes to set our posts firmly in the ground, ensuring our house will stand strong against the elements. Safety first. Remember to wear your gloves and goggles. Once the foundation is secure, we can start assembling the walls. This is where teamwork comes into play. If you have friends or family helping you, assigning roles can make the process smoother. Are you feeling the excitement? Picture this, as we raise the walls, the structure starts to take shape, just like our dreams. Roofing and windows. With the walls up, it's time for the roof. A well-designed roof not only adds to the aesthetics but also protects us from rain and snow. We'll create a slanted roof to allow rain to run off easily. As we're roofing, we'll also work on the windows. Large, open windows will allow natural light to flood in, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. What do you think? Would you prefer huge windows for a panoramic view or smaller ones for coziness? Interior design. Now that the house is taking shape, let's not forget the interior. This is your space, make it your own. Here are a few ideas. Use reclaimed wood for tables and shelves. Add soft furnishings like rugs and cushions made from natural fibers. Consider using plants as decor to bring the outdoors in. Remember, simplicity is key. A few well-chosen elements can make your space feel welcoming and unique. Final touches and landscaping. As we near completion, it's time for those final touches. This might include a beautiful wooden door and shutters to add charm. And let's not forget landscaping. Planting flowers, shrubs, and even a vegetable garden can make your space feel vibrant. Imagine stepping outside your door and being greeted by blooming life and the sounds of nature. It's a dream come true. Crafting a house in the forest is not just about building, it's about creating a connection with nature. Every choice we make, every nail we drive, brings us closer to this amazing experience. As we wrap up this project, I encourage you to take on your own crafting adventure. Whether it's a small birdhouse or a full home, every creation adds beauty to the world. If you enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow crafting enthusiasts, and subscribe to Crafted with Studio for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep crafting, keep dreaming, and let your imagination soar.